Hive Analytics, UDF and UDAF. UDF is a user-defined function. Hive has the ability to define a function. User-defined functions, or UDFs, provide a way of extending the functionality of Hive with a function which is written in Java that can be evaluated in HiveQL statements. All user-defined functions extend the Hive UDF class. After that, a UDF subclass then needs to implement one or more methods named evaluate, which will be called automatically by Hive. Evaluate should therefore never be a void method. However, it can return a null if required. Code for extending UDF. Here is some code that you can use to extend the user-defined function. Here you can see we've included the package com.example.hive.udf. And we've done two imports, one on org.apache.hadoop.hive.ql.exec.udf, and also org.apache.hadoop.io.text. This allows us to declare a function public final class lower, which will extend the UDF, and the command public text evaluate final text s, where if s is equivalent to null, then return null. Otherwise, return new text and then execute the text to string to lowercase function. This will allow us to read the text in and convert it to lowercase using our own custom-defined UDF. Built-in functions of Hive. You've learned that writing the functions in JavaScript creates its own UDF. Hive also provides some built-in functions that can be used to avoid creating your UDF from being created. Let's take a look at what these built-in functions are. These would include several categories, including mathematical, collections, type conversions, date, conditionals, and strings. Let's take a look at the examples provided for each of the built-in functions. For mathematical operations, you can use the examples of round, or floor, or random, or seal. For collections, you can use size, map, and arrays. For data type conversions, you can do things such as cast. For dates, you can use the following APIs, such as from Unix time to date, years in datediff. For conditional functions, you can use if, case, and coalesce. And for string files, you can use things such as use length, reverse, upper, and trim.